Are you looking for how to fix Messenger keeps stopping problem, or Messenger keeps crashing, or Messenger not opening problem? In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger keeps stopping problem. For solving this problem, tap on Messenger, tap on App Info. Now uninstall Messenger. Okay. Now go to Google Chrome. Search for Messenger old version. Tap on Messenger old version. Now tap on Android.apks free website. Scroll down. Now download this version. Back. Download AOA. Cancel this. Details. Now wait to complete the download process. Now tap on Messenger. Tap on install. Now open. Save. Now we can see that Messenger working. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger keeps stopping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amal's Guide.